Question 1. When you start in home inspections, do most people work for another company or run their own business? Answer: most inspectors work for themselves. Question 2. What is the simplest legal way to operate a one-person inspection business? Answer: sole proprietorship. Question 3. In a simple one-person business, what happens to your personal house and car if you lose a big lawsuit? Answer: personal assets are exposed. Question 4. What type of legal business setup many inspectors use to help protect personal assets? Answer: LLC. Question 5. When you operate as a corporation or LLC, how should you handle business money compared to personal money? Answer: keep business and personal funds separate. Question 6. What kind of accountant should a new inspector look for? Answer: an accountant who works with small businesses. Question 7. For insurance that covers accidents like a client falling from your ladder, what policy do you need? Answer: general liability insurance. Question 8. For insurance that can help when a big defect is missed in a report, what policy do you consider? Answer: errors and omissions insurance. Question 9. What written document should every client sign before you start the inspection? Answer: a pre-inspection agreement. Question 10. Besides the legal contract, what is the most important rule for running your inspection business money? Answer: track all income and expenses. Question 11. When two inspectors share one business and both are fully responsible for each other's mistakes, what type of structure is that? Answer: general partnership. Question 12. In a general partnership, what can happen to your own assets if your partner loses a lawsuit? Answer: your personal assets are at risk. Question 13. What legal structure gives liability protection like a corporation but has simpler pass-through style taxes? Answer: limited liability partnership. Question 14. Why do many small inspection companies choose an S corporation or LLC instead of a sole proprietorship? Answer: to protect personal assets and gain tax advantages. Question 15. If you have an S corporation or LLC and you use company money for personal vacation trips, what serious problem can this create in court? Answer: you can lose liability protection. Question 16. What is the best way to keep proof that your inspection business is separate from your personal life? Answer: use separate bank accounts and separate records. Question 17. When choosing a bank for your business account, what two things should you compare? Answer: fees and account requirements. Question 18. What kind of software is commonly used to track inspection income and expenses? Answer: small business accounting software. Question 19. Why should most home inspectors accept credit or debit cards? Answer: clients expect it, and it increases booked inspections. Question 20. What is the main purpose of disability or workers' compensation coverage for an inspector? Answer: to pay income when you are hurt and cannot work. Question 21. When you decide how much insurance to buy, what personal factors should you honestly think about? Answer: how much risk keeps you from sleeping well at night?